Have you ever taken the perfect photo? The composition is spot on, the focus is crisp, then you see it. A piece of trash, misplaced bag, or person walking through your shot. You could probably fix it with Photoshop, but you would have to pay a monthly subscription to Adobe for access. How about GIMP? It's free, but you don't have a laptop with you. All you have is a Chromebook. Well, go ahead and open up your Chromebook and head over to Photopea.com. Photopea is a full-featured in-browser graphics editor. Not only can you edit photos, but you can export your project as a Photoshop file to open later. Check out this screenshot of Photopea and Photoshop side by side. Can you tell the difference? Probably not. Photopea packs some premium features into their browser-based graphics editor. The one that I'm most excited about is Content-Aware Fill. Let's take the hiker out of the photos that I just took at the Grand Canyon. So let's go ahead and start with this photo right here. So we had this hiker, he decided to sit down and he photobombed my epic photo from the Grand Canyon. So let's get rid of him so I have something National Geographic worthy. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and zoom in on him so he fills up the frame. And this is so I can see all the detail around him. So I need to get rid of him and his shadow. So let's start by using the lasso tool. You can use the shortcut L on your keyboard or just click the lasso tool. So I'm gonna make a quick rough outline around him. Then I'm going to use the key Shift F5 to open up my fill text box here. I want to choose Content Aware Fill. So what that means is the program, Photopea, is going to look around and it's going to fill in the inside of my mask here. Blend mode normal, opacity 100%, hit OK and wait. There we go, he's gone. Let's take a look at the original right here and the edited part. So Photopea went in there and looked and they saw there were some bushes and stuff like that. So now it may still be very obvious to you because we're zoomed in on the photo. So let's zoom out and hit fit to area. No one's ever gonna know that there was a hiker sitting right there. So Photopea does a great job. That's a premium tool. A lot of people pay a lot of money for right there, Content Aware Fill. For most of us, we'll be making senior ads or some kind of social media post and won't ever need some of these advanced tools. We'll go in here with the text tool and be able to make some nice photo collages and add text to it for announcements for social media. But for some of you that need a little more power in your graphics editing software, Photopea.com is a great solution. So not only can you use it, but your students can use it for free as well.